offer you a comprehensive solution for filtering oils, sheens, silt, and sediment from stormwater. The innovative HuskyGuard Stormwater Filter. Its unique Spilltration Husky material is completely eco-friendly and doesn't degrade in the sun. Super thick Husky fibers remove total suspended solids to 53 microns, successfully filters fats, oils, and grease. The top is equipped with a robust reinforcing mesh. The patent-pending super thick design with barriers slows down the stormwater flow on the outer edges, stopping sediment and soaking up the oils. Overflow ports prevent stormwater from backing up in heavy rain events. The design is equipped with heavy-duty magnets for easy installation and removal. When wet, the filter's fibers adhere tightly to the surface. You can order filters of any size according to your specifications. Unlike the standard witch's hats that quickly clog with sediment and debris, the HuskyGuard filter can withstand high flow rates, prevent stormwater buildup during heavy rain, and easily clean debris from the surface. The unique Husky material captures 10 times more pollutants. At the same time, the witch's hat releases harmful substances into the stormwater. The HuskyGuard lasts significantly longer, reduces maintenance time and costs. It can be installed both under the storm grate and above it. It's replaced 98.7% faster than the traditional subgrate filter. Sediment will not overload the filter and cause it to fail in the storm drain. Using the HuskyGuard filter is a proven best management practice to stay in compliance with EPA regulations. Replacement of traditional high-cost and time-consuming filters with the HuskyGuard can help you reduce maintenance costs and minimize safety risks and improve environmental compliance at the same time. The HuskyGuard suits well for the harshest environments: rail yards, parking lots, marine terminals, power generation plants, bulk liquid terminals, construction sites, refineries, electric utility substations and service centers, logistics and distribution facilities, underground rail, and subway systems.